In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorganize your sidebar in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your folders so everything you need is right where you expect it. First, open your favorite web browser and go to yahoo.com. This is the quickest way to reach your mail, whether you're on a laptop or desktop. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. Follow the prompts to log into your account. If you use additional verification, complete that as well so you can proceed securely. After you're signed in, click the mail icon in the top right corner. That opens Yahoo Mail and lands you in your inbox. On the left-hand side, you'll see the sidebar. This panel includes your standard folders like Inbox and Sent, along with any custom folders you've created. This is the area we're going to reorganize. Find the folder you want to move, hover your mouse over its name, then click the small drop-down arrow that appears next to it. This reveals a quick menu with management options. Choose Move Folder. A small panel will open, asking where you want this folder to live. Now select a parent folder. Picking a parent turns your chosen folder into a subfolder beneath it. This is great for grouping related items like placing receipts under finances. If you want the folder to sit at the top level instead, select the highest level option shown in the list. Take a moment to think about your structure. Clear categories make it easier to find things later. When you're happy with the placement, click OK to confirm. Yahoo Mail will immediately move the folder and all the messages inside it move along with it. Nothing is deleted, you're just changing where it appears in the hierarchy. If it doesn't look right, repeat the move and choose a different parent until it fits your system. Continue this process for each folder you want to reorganize. Work through your list steadily, grouping similar folders together and nesting them under logical parents. A quick tip, start with your broad categories first, then move the more specific folders under them for a clean, predictable structure. As you go, keep an eye on the sidebar to make sure the layout matches how you think about your email. Changes are saved automatically, so there's no extra save button to press. That's it. By moving folders under the right parent, you can streamline your Yahoo Mail sidebar and make everyday email management faster and more intuitive. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.